I would now like to talk about the bones of the arm and the hand. The first bone we have here, which connects onto your shoulder, is known as your humerus. Your humerus comes down to your elbow, where it joins onto two other bones. Here we have the radius, which comes down your thumb side, and here we have the ulna, which comes down your little finger side. The joint that we have at the elbow, between these three bones, is a hinge joint. We also have a second joint, which is known as a pivot joint, where the radius turns over the ulna. Coming down to the wrist, we have several bones which make up your wrist. We have the radius, the ulna, and three of the carpal bones. In total, we have 8 carpal bones. You don't need to know where they are, but you do need to know the names of these carpal bones. And they are known collectively as the scaphoid, the lunate, the pisiform, the triquetral, the trapezium, the trapezoid, the capitate, and the hamate. The other bones that make up your hand consist of what are known as 5 metacarpal bones. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 metacarpal bones. From there, the bones that make up your fingers are known collectively as the phalanges. And we have 14 phalanges. We have 3 phalanges on each of your fingers and 2 phalanges that make up your thumb. So the bones in total of the hand and the arm are known as your 14 phalanges, your 5 metacarpals, your 8 carpals, the radius, the ulna, and the humerus.